Hi everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of grammar to understand how verb tenses change when we transform direct speech into reported speech. Let's get started. When we convert direct speech, or quotes, into reported speech, also known as indirect speech, the verb tenses usually shift back in time. Here's how each tense changes. Present simple becomes past simple. Direct speech, I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Reported speech, she said she ate breakfast at 7 a.m. Present continuous becomes past continuous. Direct speech, I am eating breakfast. Reported speech, he said he was eating breakfast. Present perfect becomes past perfect. Direct speech, I have eaten breakfast. Reported speech, she said she had eaten breakfast. Present perfect continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Direct speech, I have been eating breakfast. Reported speech, he said he had been eating breakfast. Past simple becomes past perfect. Direct speech, I ate breakfast. Reported speech, she said she had eaten breakfast. Past continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Direct speech, I was eating breakfast. Reported speech, he said he had been eating breakfast. Past perfect stays past perfect. Direct speech, I had eaten breakfast. Reported speech, she said she had eaten breakfast. Past perfect continuous stays past perfect continuous. Direct speech, I had been eating breakfast. Reported speech, he said he had been eating breakfast. Future simple becomes conditional simple. Direct speech, I will eat breakfast. Reported speech, she said she would eat breakfast. Future continuous becomes conditional continuous. Direct speech, I will be eating breakfast. Reported speech, he said he would be eating breakfast. Future perfect becomes conditional perfect. Direct speech, I will have eaten breakfast. Reported speech, she said she would have eaten breakfast. Future perfect continuous becomes conditional perfect continuous. Direct speech, I will have been eating breakfast. Reported speech, he said he would have been eating breakfast. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more grammar tips. See you next time.